Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Youxuan. Our channel is a channel focused on teaching Zhuyin phonetic symbols Mandarin. In the last video, we talked about learning the Zhuyin phonetic pronunciation system can help you have a correct standard Mandarin pronunciation. The Zhuyin only has 37 phonetic symbols, but they can form all the pronunciation of Chinese characters, and you just need to remember 37 symbols Zhuyin. Just like you need to learn the 48 symbols of the katakana alphabet if you want to learn Japanese. So you only need to remember the pronunciation of these 37 symbol sounds and flexibly practice, and combine the accent of each Zhuyin phonetic symbol and its 4 tones. As a result, you can master the most standard and clear Chinese pronunciation. We can also replace each Zhuyin phonetic symbol with the pinyin alphabet. Both Zhuyin and pinyin are designed to correspond to the tonal pronunciation of Mandarin. If you are interested in knowing more, please click on the video for more information. In this lesson, we will practice the pronunciation of the first 11 Zhuyin phonetic symbols. First of all, I will pronounce 3 to 4 symbols in the order the Zhuyin phonetic symbols. Then you try the pronunciation of a group of Zhuyin and get used to memorizing the sound group articulations. On the side of each Zhuyin phonetic symbol has a short video, helping you to see the mouth shape of each Zhuyin phonetic symbol pronunciation clearly. Then we will provide a flashcard for each Zhuyin phonetic symbol. Each Zhuyin will be marked with the corresponding pinyin alphabet symbol, the serial number, and the vocabulary information related to Zhuyin phonetic symbol. That is, when you are learning Zhuyin and traditional Chinese characters, you can also know its pinyin symbols and simplified Chinese characters at the same time. If the traditional Chinese and simplified Chinese characters of this vocabulary are the same, then we will label the simplified and traditional Chinese vocabulary together. Okay, let's check the 37 Zhuyin phonetic symbols. And please remember to turn on your subtitle to check the Zhuyin phonetic symbols and Chinese characters in the sentences. 注音 ba, pa, ma, fa, ba, ba. Ba is for 包裹，包裹，包裹，包裹 ，parcel。pa pa pa is for 苹果，苹果，苹果，苹果 ，apple。妈妈妈 is for 猫咪，猫咪。猫咪，猫咪 cat。fa fa fa is for 房子，房子，房子，房子 house。的的呢了 的is for 桌灯，桌灯，桌灯，桌灯 table lamp。T is for 太阳，太阳，太阳，太阳 sun。呢is for 小鸟，小鸟，小鸟，小鸟 bird。了is for 辣椒，辣椒，辣椒，辣椒 hot pepper。科is for 旅馆，旅馆，旅馆，旅馆 hotel。科is for 课本，课本，课本，课本 textbook。喝is for 红豆，红豆，红豆，红豆 red bean。 Okay, now let's have a pop quiz. First, we will see how many pronunciations of Zhuyin phonetic symbols and vocabulary you memorized. Please look at the Zhuyin phonetic symbols and characters in the pictures to pronounce them. You pronounce them first, then I will pronounce them 3 seconds after each picture appears. Let's start. 包裹，苹果，猫咪，房子，桌灯，太阳，小鸟，辣椒， 歌，旅馆，课本，喝，红豆。Okay, we practiced the first 11 phonetic symbols today, and the other 26. Please check our following video. In addition, to help you memorize Zhuyin phonetic symbols, I made a copybook for you. You may download the PDF directly, and the link is in the description box. Well, that is it for today's lesson you have learned. Make sure to come back for part 2. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I will see you next time.